Hi. Today we're going to be doing apple pie, and we'll be continuing with the superhero trend here. So we're just going to. So after a little bit of research, I looked up about Steve Rogers, Captain America, and his favorite food is Captain American pie, or maybe wait, Capple pie. Yeah. So we're making Capple. First, we got to start with the dough. I got to give a special hello out there to Mikey. Hi, Mikey. So let's get started. We're going to need flour, butter, salt, sugar, and some ice cold water. We have 1.5 cups of flour, a teaspoon of sea salt, and a tablespoon of sugar. Right now, we added in 1 cup of very cold butter. I'm going to pulse it just to get it loosened up a little bit. Remember to plug now in. Now that everything's plugged in, we're going to just pulse it for a little bit first. Now we're going to let it go for about 15 seconds. If it looks about right. Yeah, see. Let's scrape around, make sure there's no butter on the side. We're going to add in the other cup of flour. Now that that's done, we're going to pulse it again. Now that we got that mixed up for a second time, remember to unplug your food processor. All right, now that that's done, we're going to be putting this in a bowl. All that in a bowl. Remember to get the little last bits. It asks for 6 to 8 teaspoons of water. So we're gonna start with about 3. 1, 2. Always use your hands if you can. I can do this all day. I don't know if you can see it. It's coming together just a little bit. So we're gonna add 2 and 3. Coming together a little bit. I'm gonna add a little more water, and then we're gonna roll it up and work it a little bit. That's a little sticky. Pick up all the little bits. Look at how that has come together. Cut this into 2 pieces, about equal, and we're going to put that there. And then we're going to make 2 discs. Disc shapes. Plastic wrap. Another piece. Now that we got this done, we're going to be putting these in the fridge for at least an hour, and then we're going to be getting our apples ready. The one thing I hate about apple pie is that it always tastes the same. And so I picked out 6 beautiful different apples. And so now every bite is going to be a different texture, different flavor because of the different kind of apples. Slicing the apples. Got all that. Melting some butter and brown sugar. It's about a third of a cup of the apples. I'm going to give that a good toss. Whiskey and maple syrup. So after a few minutes, we're just going to top in some butter. A few minutes. Now that we got everything ready, we're going to roll out our dough and then pop it in the oven. Look at that. Look at that. Let's roll the top. Well, let's see. Let's see if we can get this round. That's roundish. Let's put some vents. Let's put this in and see the results. After a couple pieces that have been served, that's what it looks like. Kind of fell apart a little bit. Good. So that's it. Today we did apple pie. Steve Rogers, Captain America's favorite food. So that's a wrap on Capple Pie. And we'll see you next time. And remember, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit all those buttons, and ring those bells. All right.